We have a plugged humidifier, a bucket here of catching water. Water was getting all over the floor. Let's open it up. I changed the filter, still leaking. This was all crusty. There's a leak in this hose, so let's take it out. Say plug in the hose, so we're gonna test it and see if water will come out the other end. Turn it on here, the other end going into a bucket. And it's just filling up and pouring out, you can see. So, definitely plugged. Let's try some vinegar. Putting some regular white vinegar in here. Try and break it up. This helps clean the filter tray too. Or you can use a product called CLR. But I got vinegar right now. It's all filled up. You can follow this down a little bit, see if I can find the actual plug. It's starting to leak out the bottom. Can't see it, but I can show you. I don't know if you can see that, but it's starting to drip out in the bucket. I think the plug's like in here. I've seen some people squeeze it out. Well, it's starting to bubble out. I think it's working. Maybe I'll give it some squeezes. Work it out. Yeah, it's all gunked up. Working out. Oh yeah. I'll just see on the other side of this. You can see it. I got the plug like at the bottom of this. Oh, there it goes. Cool. I'm going to flush it a few more times and then I'll put it back on. Okay, we're going to reattach it to the bottom. Goes into the sump pump. Alright, let's put it back together. Okay, I'll turn it back on. And then I'll wait a couple minutes to make sure it's working before I post this, but there you go.